It is Wednesday, which means it is day 14 of the my transformation, and it's day 7 of my mini cut. Can you guys hear that? I like leaf blowing outside my house. The coffee that I'm making right now is community coffee, southern bread pudding. Alright, time to weigh in. So I've been staying at the same weight. My body has been changing a lot, so that's really good. So I'm trying not to get freaked out by the weight, but it's been staying the same. So we will see. We will continue to watch.
We were drowned in the mountains just to find out its seas.
Oh, I look pretty tan. Okay, so it's time for breakfast. It is about 10:48. I'm gonna make some breakfast now. I'm gonna make this cream of wheat, and I had 2 slices of bacon. I'm gonna show you guys what kind. I got this bacon idea from the Macro Experiment, and if you don't know her channel, you really should go check it out. She has a lot of great things on there. So this is Oscar Mayer center cut bacon. I have mine in a little plastic bag. But this stuff has amazing macros. So the macros are better than turkey bacon. I know that's really crazy, and everyone's like, oh, turkey everything, turkey is life. But this real bacon tastes like real bacon, and it has better macros. So let me read the macros to you. This is for 2 slices. It is 3.5 fat, 6 protein, and 0 carbs. So to give you an idea, I think the turkey bacon has, 4 fat per 2 slices, and not as much protein. I think like 3 protein. I'll look for sure, and I'll put the macros right here for the turkey bacon, and then also for the center cut bacon. So it's way better. It tastes better, and if I can eat real bacon and it not taste like turkey bacon, then I'd love to. I like turkey bacon, but I would rather have real bacon. So I had 2 slices of that, and now I'm gonna make this cream of wheat. So we're gonna measure out 33 grams. Okay guys, so here's my breakfast. I'm watching Brittany Lesser on YouTube, but I have some cream of wheat. I'm gonna add in a little bit of salt, some Walden Farms pancake syrup, and then I'm gonna try this today. I'm gonna add some almond extract. I don't know if that's gonna be good or not, but I guess I'm gonna try. I pretty much love almond flavored anything, so I think it should be fine. And we're gonna hit the gym probably here in about an hour, and I will show you guys my workout. A post-workout, shake for Renee, and then one also for me. So I want to show you guys what goes into it. It's super simple. Add in, almost out, but I think I'm just gonna put all of them in his. So that is his, and then we're gonna add in some almond milk, about a cup. And then we're gonna add in some whey protein. This is Cellucor with vanilla. I'm gonna add a scoop of that. I'm gonna add some blueberries. and then 1 whole banana. Now time for my shake. Same type of concept. I'm just gonna put in some ice. One more cube. Some ice. Some unsweetened vanilla almond milk. And then the protein that I'm gonna use of the cake donut by Optimal Nutrition. This does not taste like a cake donut at all, but I want to get rid of it, so I'm gonna use that. It's important to have carbs after your workout because it's gonna refuel your muscles, so that they don't eat, so that your body is not feeding off your muscles. So I'm putting carbs in here, that way I have it. So now that both are done, we're just gonna pop these in the freezer until we leave for the gym, which will probably be about another hour or so. So we're gonna pop these in the freezer. What's up, guys? We are on our way to the gym. I am really hungry. We did not go on time, so we stopped at Chipotle. We got a bowl here. What I have in here is half the amount of the brown rice. I have black beans, double serving of vegetables, steak, lettuce, pico, spicy sauce, and then a little bit of sour cream. And I did not get cheese this time, so if I get sour cream, I don't get cheese. If I get cheese, I don't get sour cream. So I like sour cream way better. So I got about a half serving of sour cream. And I'm gonna enjoy this on our way to the gym. We are going to train back today, so I'll let you guys see that as well.
I care what you think. Wish we could turn back time to the good old days when the mama sang us to sleep, but now we're stressed out. Was young. How come I'm never able to identify where it's coming from? I'd make a candle out of it if I ever found it. Try to sell it, never sell out of it. I probably only sell one. Maybe to my brother, cause we have the same nose, same clothes, homegrown, a stone's throw from a creek we used to roam. But it would remind us of when nothing really mattered. Out of student loans and treehouse homes, we all would take the ladder. My name's Blurry Face and I care what you think. My name's Blurry Face and I what you think. Wish we could turn back time to the good old days when the mama sang us to sleep, but now we're stressed out. Saying wake up, you need to make